What's up everyone? I hope you're doing well. So today we're going to finally start cleaning up and getting the anvil ready to be used in the blacksmith. We picked up the anvil a few days ago and the anvil is very old. And since we are in an enclosed environment, I'm in my garage doing this, I will be opening the garage doors a little bit so I get some air flowing through, because the anvil is dusting a lot, I realized. And I will also be using some dust filter mask, so I don't get any problems with my lungs and everything like that while doing this. So, with that said, let's just jump right into it. So we've been grinding for a while now, and I realized I didn't get so far with it. And as you can see down here, we have a lot of uneven fields, and I couldn't really get rid of them with this steel brush that we had, or that I used with the iron grinder. So we now have a different type of thing. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's supposed to do a lot more to like flatten it out. And we also found a handle. Very nice. So let's get on to it. So now we have to clean up the horn a bit here. There's not as much like welds and stuff here that I need to get rid of. So we're gonna change this off to the steel brush again, and then just clean it. cleaned up. And that's pretty much the last thing I have to do. So let's get on it. That's heavy. So there we go. It is almost perfectly clean now, or at least flat on the top, so we can start actually using it. It was very hard to get the sides completely clean, but this will do for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.